What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another video. It came in the computer case. I was literally just outside swinging, and it's here. UPS pulled up, dropped it off for me, and I'm gonna unbox it right here. But first, we gotta go clean off the setup. I mean, just look at this. I was literally editing. I just got done. It's literally exporting right now. And now I gotta make this one and like completely edit a whole nother one to get this one out. So yeah, I gotta clean up all this. So let's go ahead and get it done right now. Oh, well, messed that up. Hopefully I'm not cutting nothing. Okay, hold on, let me get this out real quick. Oh my goodness, here she is, bro. Like, we gotta pull her out and everything, but just, oh my god, it's gonna be crazy. Wait, let's get this thing out. I mean, like, here she is. She's gonna have to go right back in the box because I don't have all the parts, but it comes with the fan. Just from looking at it, it looks pretty sick. I can't wait to actually start using this bad boy though. So I'm just gonna open it up fully now. Here she is, bro. It's already got the fan pre-installed, and you know how this is like very satisfying to take off. We're not gonna take it off until the PC's fully built, but she looks very, very good. Like, I cannot wait to build this computer. Sadly, I've got to wait until spring break to order any more parts, and then, yeah, but it's the Thermaltake S100TG micro case. If y'all want it, it'll be in the description, and, yeah, I don't know where I'm gonna put it, because I don't really want to put it back in the box, but I may have to. She's very beautiful, and I haven't built it yet, so yeah. I hope to see you on the next one. Peace.